Dreamstudio versus Dalle-2. Warfarin from the X-Men by Taketo Yamamoto.
Paul and Manuel earned a crown floating in space while painting.
Laughing hyena wearing blue armor and purple crab pencil and watercolor.
Audrey Hepburn by Blue Star's 85mm lens. Silly lighting realistic.
Indian Heaven holding a turkey leg, pencil and watercolor drawing.
Photo of angry Batman wrapped in rusty chains.
You're wearing a wooden crown. Blue fire, comic art.
John Lennon wearing an ornate red crown, pencil and watercolor drawing. Two-Face from the movie Batman. Screenshot from Studio Ghibli.
Elvis in hell holding a blue long-sword comic book.
Travis Bickle from the movie Taxi Driver by Taketo Yamamoto.
A dog sitting on a throne, wearing sunglasses, spray painted onto a wall.
The Joker from the movie Batman. Acrylic paint on paper.
Pencil drawing of a shark flying into the sun. Eldritch Dwarf.
Tobacco burning in hell. Holding a crucifix to KO on.
Apocalypse from the X-Men by Taketo Yamamoto.
A children's drawing of a rhino wearing the tuxedo, holding a fish, psychedelic, clearing into the ground, surrounded by deer antlers, covered in cups by covered Olympic guns.
iamYork.com